Solved memory management error Windows 10/NVIDIA 1. Run SFC scanner as admin. 2. Run Windows Memory Diagnostic Tool. 3. Update all your device drivers with the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 4. Revert your PC settings to default, if you overlocked your computer. 5. Run a full malware scan with the recommended Avast Internet Security in this video guide. 6. Update your Windows OS. 7. Clean your temporary files and folders. 8. Check your disk for potential errors. 9. Remove recently installed software after clean booting your Windows. Note, clean booting your system helps check or find out programs causing memory leaks. 10. Manually increase virtual memory accordingly. 11. Run system restore. 12. Other tips are, restart your computer. Run MEM test 86. Run chkdsk/r. Reseat your PC. Hardware. Reset reinstall your system. 13. For Dell computer users, read https://www.dell.com/support/kb/000138049/-may-hang-or present a blue screen with stop code, memory management error.